Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to give my second proof of 1 equals 2 because some people didn't like the last one. They found fault with it. But first, consider the phrase slot machines. I want you to rearrange those letters to spell a phrase that has to do with slot machines. I'll take it up at the end. So, back to the proof of 1 equals 2. Let's just do it. Consider y equals x squared. We know that that means, by definition, x times x. What does that mean? Well, that means you have x groups of x things. So that's the same as x plus, etc., one last x, where you have x's. Did you buy that? If not, let's think about 3 squared. 3 squared, by definition, is 3 times 3. That means 3 groups of 3. So 3 plus 3 plus 3, which is 9. That's what 3 squared is, so it makes sense. Let's try one more. 4 squared. By definition, 4 times 4. 4 groups of 4. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. That adds up to 16. That multiplies to give 16. So this is logical. If these two functions are the same, x squared and x plus a whole bunch of x's up to x of them, then their slopes or their derivatives must be the same. If two functions are the same, their slopes are the same. Let's consider y equals x squared. Simple parabola looks like this. The slope of that function is changing all the time. For example, here, the slope is the slope of this tangent line. That tangent line only touches the graph at that one point, and the slope is the same as the slope of the curve. In calculus, what is the slope of the parabola x squared? Well, it's equal to, and by the way, we call it y prime, 2x. So no matter what x is, the slope of this line m is 2 times that value of x. Okay, now let's consider this function. What's its derivative or slope? Well, x by itself is just a straight line going through the origin. If x is positive, it has a positive slope, looks like this. If x is negative, it has a negative slope, looks like that. So the slope is the number in front of x, which is 1. Think of y equals mx plus b. That's a linear equation. There's the slope right there. In this case, it's 1. So here, what do we get? We get 1 plus a whole bunch of 1s up to the last one, and there are, once again, x of them. So if you add up a whole bunch of 1s where there's x of them, that's going to add up to x. What have we shown here? Well, if we combine these results, the slope of this function must be the same as the slope of that function. I get, I'll do it over here, 2x equals x. What? Wait, how can that be? Because if I divide both sides by x, x not being 0, I get 2 equals 1. QED, big fat check mark, or better yet, smiley face. If you find fault with that, let me know. We'll take it up next time. Looks good to me. So of course, 1 equals 2. Now to finish off, let's go back to slot machines. What can we spell here? Have you thought about it? Well, look. I can take those 4 letters and spell the word cash. I can take those 4 letters and spell the word lost. These 2 letters already spells in, and the last 2, M. Cash lost in 'em. How true that is. Take care. See you next time. Please comment below, subscribe, like. Always happy to hear from you, even though I can't possibly see every single comment. Bye-bye.